Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, so I've got a couple of things to talk about for BoxyCharm. First of all, we got some spoilers. Brand new spoilers just been released for the June BoxyLuxe box. Then I'm going to tell you the dates of the Boxy pop-up and a couple of spoilers that they showed. And I'm also going to go back over the May spoilers. Glam with Suzanne, she's right here on YouTube, or else she's BoxyCharm Sneak Peek on Instagram. She has come out with some more information where she thinks the spoilers are going to go, and you know she's really tight with BoxyCharm. So I tend to believe everything that she says. So guys, if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified, you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was an update about the BoxyCharm May spoilers. Thank you so much, Helen Stuckey. Helen says, hey girl, keep it up. Praying you're doing well. Thank you so much, Helen. I also pray the same for my subscribers. I hope you are doing good. I hope you are trying to keep your minds busy and just being safe. And I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first things first, let's go ahead and get the May Boxy pop-up out of the way. So mark it down in your calendar. Now I already done a video about this, but this is a friendly reminder to put this in your calendar. So May 12th is going to be Boxy pop-up, and that is the early access for like premium members, BoxyLuxe, all that good stuff. And then May 13th is going to be for all charmers. So be sure to mark that down in your calendar. Now let's go over a couple of the items that they showed in an email. So you know this ain't going to be all of the items in Boxy pop-up. They got more than just makeup. But these are just the few items that they've shown in their flyer. So the first thing is Glam Glow, and it looks like a little set. I don't know what that is. Shampoos, lotions, who knows? And then it shows Perricone MD is going to be in there. Also Foxy Bay. Now it's showing a curling wand. And then it shows that Benefit brow pen. You know, it's got a bunch of different shades in it. And then it shows the Too Faced Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty good pop-up, y'all. Now we're going to go over those May spoilers that we've seen. You know, Joe's little sneaky tail tried to hide them behind his video behind him. So first, we figured out it is the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And then the House Labs. Now that is the liquid eyeliner. That is Lady Gaga's brand. And then, of course, the Too Faced Gold Soleil Bronzer. Now that only comes in 1 shade, so that is possibly going to be a variation. And then some more things that are possibly going to be in a May box is the new spoilers that we just seen, which is the Glam Glow Probiotic Berry Glow Mask. So Susan seems to think that's going in the base box. Now that is not yet confirmed, but we're pretty sure this is going in May's box. As well as the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. Again, another item for May. Now, the Glow Recipe Avocado Mask that is also in that sneak peek. Again, Suzanne seems to think that's going to be in a June box. She thinks maybe premium or maybe the BoxyLuxe box because of the size of the packaging, and she might be right on that, y'all. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and look at the spoilers for June. The BoxyLuxe items. Now, these, you know what BoxyLuxe is. You're going to get up to 9 items worth over $275, and it is $49.99 every 3 months. So the first thing that they showed is the Tarte. This is the Pro Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. Absolutely gorgeous, y'all, and it's a nice big palette. I love them like this. Next thing, this is a company called Swell, and this is a water bottle. Now it shows it in this purple. There might be variations in colors, but these things are really handy. I love having these. And then last but certainly not least, this is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. Now we knew Kylie Skin was coming in June, coming in a BoxyLuxe box, but we also know that Kylie Skin will be in the base box for June as well. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to be the same item. It's probably going to be a different item, but so expect Kylie Cosmetics also in the base box. So guys, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check him out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Emily Fry. Emily says, am I first? That has never happened before. Emily, honey, you don't even have to be first here because you know I'm going to end up picking everybody's comments because you know what? It always shows different on my YouTube analytics list than sometimes what you're seeing. That's why I do 2 comments because I always love to at least pick one of the comments, and today I picked yours, Emily. And I really appreciate it, honey. Thank you so much for coming and watching my video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube is unsubscribing people for some damn reason. But if you would, check on that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set to on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.